So today in this video we shall factorize 9x square minus 12xy minus 5y square. So to factorize we write the first term 9x square and last term minus 5y square. So both are same. So now we need the center part. So for that 9 times 5 means 45. We factorize 45. So it is 3 times 15 mean 45. 3 times 5 mean 15. So now multiplying within these numbers we need here 12. So 3 times 5 mean 15 and this 3. So we need minus 12. So minus 15 plus 3, it means it is minus 12. So it can be expressed as minus 15 xy plus 3 xy. So minus 15 xy plus 3 xy means it is minus 12 xy. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So here common is 3x. So remaining 3 times 3 means x and remaining 1x minus 3 times 5 means 15 and y plus the common in these both is y. So remaining in the first part 3x minus here is 5y. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain 3x minus 5y. So 3x minus 5y is common and remaining in the first part 3x in the last plus y. So this much for today and thanks for watching.